Hey everyone, welcome back to Programming with me. This is first video in my image processing with Python series, where we will learn how computers understand, analyze, and transform images. In today's video, we will cover basics of image processing using Python, and that is also step by step. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So our first section is what is image processing. So image processing means using algorithm to enhance, analyze, or modify digital images. It allows computers to perform tasks like improving photo quality, detecting faces, recognizing objects, and even powering self-driving cars. In simple words, it helps computers see and understand images. Now let's understand how computers see images. For humans, an image looks smooth and natural. But to a computer, an image is just a grid of tiny square called pixels. Each pixel stores information using RGB. RGB nothing but red, green and blue values. Millions of these pixels together form a complex image. We'll see all these things in later tutorials. Let's understand what are the popular Python libraries. So there are multiple libraries uh, built in Python for image processing. So Python offers powerful libraries for image processing. The most popular one includes OpenCV, which is for computer vision. Below, it's for image editing. NumPy for fast image calculations, and Matplotlib for visualization. So in this series, we will mainly use OpenCV with Python. If needed, we'll use other um, libraries as well. So let's understand the basic image operations. So some basic image operations include reading an image, resizing an image, converting an image to grayscale, or rotating an image. These are the foundation of all advanced processing tasks. Once you master this task, advanced projects become much easier. So we have to understand all these things in the next videos. Let's see what are the real world applications of image processing. So image processing is widely used in real world applications like face recognition, medical imaging, self-driving cars, and security systems like surveillance systems as well. These technologies power many modern AI-based tools that we use today. That's it for the first episode of image processing with Python. In the next video, we will dive deeper into image basics like pixels, resolutions, color models. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to Programming with me, and comment what do you want to learn next. Let's master image processing together. See you in the next video.